Thank you for coming back in the kitchen with Lynn, guys, and today I'm going to show you how I make my cookies using no eggs, no milk, neither any baking soda. Here I have 1 cup of unsalted butter at room temperature, and I'm placing it into my mixer, and I'm going to cream this butter until it is fluffy and nice. I'm also adding 1 cup of granulated sugar, mix again for 5 minutes. Make sure at intervals that you stop this mixer and scrape the sides of the pan so that the sugar and butter is well incorporated. Mix again for another 5 minutes. Cream the butter until it is fluffy and nice, and that's the secret to this recipe, guys. Now I'm going to divide my mixture into 2 parts. 1 part that I'm going to be using some cocoa powder and some vanilla extract. Now I'm going to add some flour, but you must add the flour a little at a time. I'm now going to add some cocoa powder and mix well. I'm not done, guys. I still have to add a little bit more flour to get the right consistency that I'm looking for. Now this is the right consistency that I'm looking for, where the dough must be squeezed easily but not stick to your fingers. I'm placing the dough onto a wax paper, and then I'm placing another wax paper over the dough, give it a roll, then place it into a pan and pop it into the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Now over to the other mixture. I did add some essence, guys, and now I'm going to give it a mix, making sure that I get the right consistency. This is what my dough looks like. It's not sticking to my fingers, neither onto the pan. Sorry, the dish. Repeat the same process. Place it onto a wax paper, roll it out, and place it into the refrigerator for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, guys, I'm going to now cut my cookies into desired shapes. So I set my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to place the cookies onto a wax paper on the baking tray and bake for 15 minutes. After 50 minutes, here you have a nice crunchy cookie. I'm going to dip the cookies in some soft icing. I did make some different colors and also use some assorted sprinkles on my cookies. And I'm looking at my cookies now that it's finished and I'm saying, okay. Yes guys, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas, and if you like this video, please subscribe, press that notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload another video. And thank you for coming in the kitchen with Lynn. I will see you in my next video, and happy holidays once again. See you soon.